Hello friends, in this lecture we shall have discussion about sinking funds. What is sinking fund and why it is created? Friends, sinking fund is in the form of a reserve which is created by a business organization, and this is created with the objective of paying off the debts. Debts means loans, redemption of bond or debenture issues, replacement of old equipment, purchase of new assets. So the objective of creating sinking fund is this, and it can be done by calculating amount of annuity on the basis of a given future value. So funds are required in one lot, and these are created over a time period. On maturity, these funds are used for any of these purposes. When sinking fund is to be created, how much should be the value of annual contribution? This can be calculated by using the same formula which is used to calculate amount of annuity for a given future value. Amount of annuity for a given future value. Or it can be placed like this also. Let us now do this by way of a case study. ABC firm requires rupees 5 lakh for replacing existing equipment. How much amount they should save annually to create a sinking fund which should be available at end of 4th year if rate of interest is 10%. Now this 5 lakh is future value of the annuity, and the time period is 4 years. Discount rate is 10%. Let us now proceed with the solution. So it will be solved by calculating annuity amount based on a future value. Here future value is 5 lakh. This is how we can place the formula. So this is the formula we have placed here. We have to calculate amount of annuity. Future value is given. So rate of interest, it is 10%. Future value of annuity is 5 lakh. 1 plus r raised to power n means 1.10 raised to power 4 minus 1. Now we can simplify this. Solution to this part is 1.4641 minus 1. So this part and this part gives us this value. 0.1 multiplied by 5 lakh, it gives us this value. Now going further, 1.4641 minus 1, it gives us this value, and here we have 50,000, and here we calculate the amount of annuity. So amount of annuity is rupees 1,07,735. If this firm, ABC firm, they save and keep it separate an amount of rupees this much for 4 years, at a 10% rate of interest, it will become rupees 5 lakh. So that is how the sinking fund is created. This calculation can be made with an alternative calculation also by using this formula. So F is equal to A 1 plus r raised to power n minus 1 r. So here F is future value, A is the amount of annuity which we have to calculate, and we place the value here 1 plus r raised to power n minus 1. It should give us this value, so we have placed this value divided by rate of interest. Now A we can get on that side, so this is like this, and here we get the answer. Whether we make use of this formula or we make use of this formula, it can be calculated. Now, this type of fund, as I already mentioned, is created by firms to collect lump sum of money at end of a particular period, and that money is normally used either to pay off the debt on one-time payment basis, or redemption of the bonds or debentures, or replacing an old equipment like it was case in our example, or purchasing a new asset after some time. Well friends, I am sure the contents of the video will help you, and thank you for watching it.